Sweet. Okay. Try and go to the actual link here. This appears to be working. It's 1080p. Okay. So it's working. It's still working. Okay. What are we doing here? Create new project. Do blank app packaged. Yeah. Next. And actually, yeah, what's in that? Hold on, what's in development? Interesting. I don't need those. Get rid of those. I don't need that at all either. Delete, yep. Boop. I don't need either of these either. Boop. Boop. Okay. What do I want to call this? Let's see. Let's do it. Hold on, maybe I can get a little bit on music. That won't be too difficult. Let's see. Music. I like all of these, right? Let's see. What does this have? No. Unreal Remix playlist. Actually, I might just have my own playlist. No. Yeah. Go back. Okay. I guess I can keep it there. That seems fine, right? The balance of that. Let me go back to the stream. It's called sample app. is. Where is it? Where is it? Yeah, there we go. Oh. Come on, Visual Studio. I know you can do it, right? It's failing to do the what? Which one? WinRT? Fine. Let's try that again. What did it actually update is the question. So it didn't update these two. Okay. Try that again. Yeah. Okay. Actually, should probably have it about there. What happened here? Clean and rebuild. What's failing? Interesting. Weird. Okay, I might have to recreate this project. So, yeah, let's do that. Like updating the NuGet packages failed the first time, and that's catastrophic because, you know, Microsoft. Try this again. Get another song going. This one. It's always good. Interesting. Why is this unlisted? Oh, okay. No, so it's on. It's on. Used to be able to view as weird. Oh shit, that's what happened. Weird. Hey, what's up?
Here's a sketchbook.
Oh.
We do sketches.
Thank you.
And also the first page said my girlfriend's crazy or something. Ungrateful.
Yeah, I know. Yeah. Yeah, day one. She's crazy. Oh. What's going on here? Okay, so it is now public. Let's see. No, there should be gaming category. What? How to science and technology. I don't know what it would be under, right? So it would be under like yeah, save. Okay. Weird. Weird. Oh, there it is. Now it shows up. Sweet. Oh, okay. Yeah. Back to some music. Does this one work? Yeah. Down with that. Okay. See if we can actually update these NuGet packages without breaking the entire project. Okay, so it says that all of these have updates, right? This February 7th. Maybe I shouldn't update to that. We'll just try this. See what happens. Yeah, okay. I accept. Oh, it's much louder actually. Let me lower that a bit. Actually, because I feel like you might even be picking it up on the mic. Hello. Why does the YouTube, maybe it's just because my PC audio is so freaking loud. That's better. Did it successfully update? No, it keeps going and not responding. So like, every time it tries to do this. Why? Is there something wrong with my Windows App SDK? Maybe there's some updates for Visual Studio that I don't have. No. Okay. I mean, I haven't used DirectX 9 in forever, so probably not. I mean, why DirectX 9? Is that because you're trying to target like Windows XP or something? Let me see. Let's just see if what happened here. It probably is going to fail to build again for some bizarre reason, even though it's just this basic template. I don't know what's going on here. Let's kick off the build. Let's see. Generates the 1MD. Yeah, that's problematic. So I'm gonna create another sample based off of the template. I'm not gonna update any of the NuGet packages and see what happens. Yeah, whatever. I'll just name it. Yeah, I don't care. App 1. It's a DX11. I mean, first question, is it DX9C? So is there like any level of shader usage? I mean, because that's going to be your biggest change. I mean, DX9 is in the beginning was fixed function, so going to DX11, you're gonna have to have shaders. Um, So let's see. Looks like this worked. CPP WinRT. From the 7th. For water and shadows. Okay. Okay, so let's upgrade. What is this implement? This is the will, right? Okay. If I upgrade just this one, boop. Okay, and I build that. So this was updated the 25th. This was updated the 7th. I don't really have the time to do that. I mean, I do have my own, job, day-to-day job, so I don't think I can actually help you on that. I'm sorry, but hopefully, there's some resources online that can help you for translating that from DX9 to DX11. I mean, there should be. It's possible that there's translation libraries too. You should look into if you don't actually want to go through the process of porting it to DX11. There might be DX9 on 11 or DX9 on Vulkan or DX9 on something, right? Um, yeah. We'll try upgrading the app SDK and see what happens after doing that. So upgrading the app SDK is what causes Windows to freak out. I mean, Visual Studio to freak out, stop responding. What happened here? Okay. So I got to figure out what's wrong with the Windows App SDK update from the 25th. Come on, Windows. Just close program. Let's see what happened with that then. Issues. Releases. That's fine. 17 days ago. What happened in this? Single project MSI. Let's see. Upgrade the install package. How do you upgrade it? WinGet. WinGet upgrade. Fine. Oh fuck. What? No, it's definitely not. WinGet. I already have that. So workload. Oh no, that's not. I don't need that. I don't need that. Project templates. Let me reinstall the extension. Oh, downloads. Yeah, I don't need that. Modify and tasks. Oh yeah, hold on. I wonder. .NET CLI. What happens if I do this? Oh, okay. It's from packet. No. .NET CLI, yeah, whatever. Okay. Blank app packaged. Try this. Okay. Does the new extension that I installed have the latest NuGet package by default? Probably not. Oh, it does. Okay. Whew. Okay, well, clearly updating the NuGet package from here doesn't work properly. So for the Windows App SDK, good to know. Just reinstall the extension if you want it to actually work. Otherwise, it won't. Boop. Oh, I may have spoke too soon. Even this is crashing too. I wonder if there's a better way to update these NuGet packages instead of through here. Never really had this happen this frequently. Like Visual Studio just not responding. I wonder if there's a NuGet console for this. Hold on. Yeah, close. I'm not gonna deal with that. Not gonna deal with that. Boop. App 3. Maybe eventually I'll actually be able to code something. Right now I seem to be just trying to figure out how to use NuGet. Oop, that's not what I wanted to do. What is going on? Jesus Christ. Do I have updating source files? Do I have, hold on. Do I have Resharper active? No, it's off. Which version? Date installed version. Maybe the automatically update this extension. Well, apparently there's no updates for that. Updates. Okay. Manage NuGet packages. Is there a what's it called? Okay. Let me try this again. Let me do each one individually. So the will, I'll update will. Oh, it's going to stop responding again. bizarre. Huh. I'm just gonna let it go. So they got all that dependency information. I'm wondering what's going on here. Okay, not responding. Let's see. Okay, no, we're just gonna abandon this. Okay, never mind. Close the program. No, don't report the problem. Don't report it. Ideally, it shouldn't be too much of an issue having a slightly older CPP WinRT. That shouldn't be an issue. Let's see. Hold on. Maybe I can just close that. Yeah, you're back. Okay. Okay. Hold on. First, I'm going to delete all of these. Yes. Delete all of those. Hold on. It's not. I find that hard to believe that it's actually in use, but sure. Try again. Try again. Cancel. Eh. Okay, well, that'll eventually be fixed on reboot, so screw that. Boop. Okay, let's call this sample app. Create. I'll let it process everything first. Switch over to build. Save the symbols. Yeah, maybe I thought I disabled Resharper. Oh, it's not disabled. Oh, well, that's probably my problem. Derp. Okay. I wonder now. So if I go manage NuGet packages, just want to try this one more time. With Resharper disabled, what happens if I try and update both of them? Yay, okay, it finished just fine. So it's just Resharper being retarded and screwing things up, right? Yeah, with these newer WinUI packages, WinUI projects, you can't really have um, Resharper enabled. It also doesn't. Yeah, you can't really have Resharper enabled, and even screws up anyway in terms of figuring out, resolving IntelliSense for some of these types from like the WinMD files or that are generated by CPP WinRT, because it doesn't know to recheck. Maybe they fixed that, but I doubt it. Um, so okay, but bigger question: does it actually build? Because that was the other problem I was having, is that it wasn't building. So with the latest Windows App SDK, latest CPP1RT, latest will, let's see if it actually builds properly. Okay, it built. Let's run it. Yay, it works. Okay. So what do we want to do here? Well, let's first get the WinUI 3 gallery here, right? To see some examples of what we want to do, right? So there's navigation. We could set up like a navigation view here to have content. So like the sample pages, there's also tabs, so we can get tabs. Yeah, I was thinking I want to do like a navigation view with tabs, right? So, okay. So like a navigation view, how would that work? Works like this. So get rid of this. We'll also get rid of the handler here and the implementation. Navigation view. We need menu items, but we can at least have a frame to begin with. So, navigation view frame. This change like that. I think it's good. Navigation view dot menu items. So we can have navigation view item. Content. Let's just do what they did for now, just as an example. All right, so we have home. We have the name. I guess we can call it. I don't know, what did they do? They didn't even give it a name, right? They just gave it content and icon and a tab. So yeah, home. Is settings visible? True. So we want a settings page. Let's see how this looks for right now. Boop. Okay. Let's run. Okay. So we got a home button. We have settings button. We have a nice little nav view here. I'm wondering if we want, yeah, we'll eventually do the history. But okay, so there we go. Now, how do we want to handle the, well, let's create our home page and our settings page, right? So we're going to add a new item. Let's see, we want a blank page. I don't know why these are duplicate hits, because I have, I think, two CPP WinRT things here, but this is what we want, WinUI 3. We want a blank page, and we'll call this one settings page, I think is good for right now. Settings page. So we got a settings page here. Right now it's just got a button, so I think that's fine. We're also going to create the home page, so hold on. Add new item, blank page. We'll call this home page. Home page, blank page. Now for home page, we're not going to do that. I think we could probably just go straight into a tab view. I don't know why that happens, so hold on. Sound. Okay. Yeah, I gotta get some music going or something so that my headset doesn't keep auto turning off. It's okay though. Hold on. Get something like chill. Something chill. I had a lot of music playlists in the past. Oh, that's not mine. Let's see. That, no. Game tunes, no game music, yeah. That works fine. Okay. So back here, we're doing tab view, tab view dot tab items, and then tab view item content. Let's just do something like I don't know. Say we're like I don't know, cube dot GLB. Say we were like a viewer of like some sort of content. I'll just do a cube, like a 3D models or something. Oh, actually, I think we could do they have like a, what happened here? Icon? No, oh. Tab view. Hold on, is that not how you do the tab views? Let's see, tab view. Here we go. Tab view item icon source. But like, what if you just wanted to use like built-in things? Style. Okay. Tab view. Tab view item. Let's do without an icon for right now. Tab view. That's fine. And so what's that called? Homepage. Sample app. Okay. I think I can do. Yeah, okay. So now we're going to want to do item invoked. We're going to want a new event handler. And in here, you know, check if settings item was invoked. So if args dot settings invoked, navigate to the settings page. Okay, so we want to get our content frame. We want to navigate to. We have to specify a type name. So one of the ways we can do this with C++ that Microsoft talks about is you can actually get the args item or invoked item container. Yeah, I think that will be it. So hold on. Let's go back into here. They mentioned that for the navigation view item, if you specify a tag that is the page that you want to the type of the page that you want to navigate to. So in our case, it's sample app dot homepage for here. Well, we don't need that for the settings, but so I guess I'll get back to that in a second. But so for this, we just need to navigate to the settings page. So what we could do is actually hold on. WinRT windows.ui.xaml.control. I think that's what I want. And I need WinRT SAML type name of sample app. Oh, I need to settings page, or actually, yeah, I need sample app settings page, but you need to include it. So I need to include settings page. Do I need to do that? I feel like that shouldn't be required if I build. I feel like I haven't built yet, so let's hold off on that for a second. Yeah, let it do its thing here. Oh, my button. It's not a. Oh yeah. Whoops. Okay. Delete that. Delete that. Oop. Do. Rebuild. Okay. Yeah, there we go. So now we got our settings page, and we should be able to just navigate directly to that. So let's see. Let's just test this out. So for home, nothing yet. But then if we click settings, it's gonna grab and load our settings page. But it keeps loading it every time we click it, so it's probably not something we want to do. So maybe we can avoid that. So we can do content frame dot current. Hold on. Current source page type type. Auto current page type, and so then we want settings page type. So page type, settings page type. I'm not entirely sure this will work if these have a different, what's it called, kind, which could be custom or primitive. So let's see. Yeah, see, it's going to keep doing that, and the reason is because even if it is the current, so the first time we click this, it'll be fine. It'll be current is clearly not the same as settings page here. But then the next time you click it, the current is going to be custom, but then this will be metadata. So what we can do there is we can go to custom. I think that should work now. So this, click settings, and now it's not reloading it every time. So it stays on here no matter how many times you click it. So the next thing we can do is handle all other types, right, of the navigation items. So for that, let's go back to what I was mentioning. If we set the tag to the actual type name of the page in which we want to navigate to, we could just grab that off of what's it called, from the args item invoked container dot tag. So this will be let's see, how do you do this? So you get this tag, right? It's an inspectable. We'd have to create a type name. So Windows UI YAML interop type name. We need the type name dot name to be equal to that tag, but it needs to be a I don't know actually how you do that. So WinRT string, WinRT unbox value. Does that work? Yeah, let's see. How do you convert a tag to a string? Let's see. Oh, that's not how that works, I guess. You need to do that. Okay, and then drop type kind. Let's just do custom. And then the same thing here, actually. So if current page type doesn't equal type name, we're gonna navigate to the type name. Oh, that's not what I want to do. Okay. Let's try this out. So settings still works. And boom, we navigate to home. And looks like, hold on, looks like I did something weird. Oh, this also, I don't believe, reloads, so we did that right as well. Okay. I don't need to list the live preview. What happened with this homepage? Content, cube. Yeah, hold on. Main window. What did I do there? Settings page. What? Type view item. Oh, it's supposed to be header, not content. Header. But that's interesting to know. So if you don't provide a header, it takes the header from the first word, I guess, of the content, if the content is a string. That is interesting. That's very interesting. Okay. Okay, there you go. So we got cube. And here's the settings. So we can start filling out the settings. Now, if we look at like an example app over here, it's not. That is technically an example, but not the one I was talking about. So they have like for their settings, they do this. Where's another example app that's made in WinUI 3 that has settings? Oh, classic one. This one, they have a sort of settings in the menu bar because it's a classic sort of original Windows program, but they have settings over here, and so this is their settings page. And they even have a nice little title here. So we can do something similar to this actually. And then they have the about here, the different licensing terms. And they have the app theme, which is, does this do that for the theme mode? No, they do not. So this is actually the recommended way nowadays. I think you'll see in WinUI 3 apps settings being done here. I think does WinUI 3 gallery show how to do that? Layout. Would it be here? No. Not sure where that would be. I'll figure it out. Menus and toolbars. Hold on, let me go back to. Yeah, I don't want to have that going. See what happens when I do this. Yeah, what are these? What's an example of that? A rating control, not a toggle switch. Tree view, foot view, no. Expander? It's probably expander actually. Yeah, it's expander. Yeah. How did we do an expander? Let's see. Okay. So it looks like that. And so how do you do text, right? So text is just what? There's no label. Am I crazy? You'd think there would just be a no. text block. Read only, okay. Okay. So we could copy that. Go to settings. Horizontal alignment. Left. Vertical alignment. Left. Oh no, top. Yeah, top. Okay. Text. Yeah, text block. Text settings. Font size. Font weight bold. Oh, look at that. Ooh, but like, is that really what we want? To be like that? I want it to be like off center. Alright. So let's look at layout. Grid. Split view, stack panel. Padding. How do you do with padding? No, there's no padding. Let's see. Oh, actually, you know what? Oh. Interesting. Hold on. I think that's not what I want to do. I want to do. Oof. Oh, okay. Oh, actually, hold on. Stack panel. It doesn't have a header. Oh, I wonder, actually. Let's see what happens if I do that. Padding. Okay, there we go. So yeah, you can get padding by doing that. So settings. So I have padding now. And then underneath we wanted a, what do we want? An expander? Let's see, where's the expander? That was in here. So expander, and is expanded down, vertical alignment, top, header. Okay. No, it doesn't have an animated icon. Expander. Is that what we want? Is there a way to do an expander with an icon? Hold on, I'm gonna check something. Oh, fucking scams. Okay. Okay, so that's what it is. It's actually from the community toolkit. It's called a settings card. So it's probably an implementation of an expander, but I guess I'd have to wait until, can you do, toolkit, settings card, once available for C++. Yeah, so the Windows Community Toolkit is a set of .NET or a set of WinUI 3 components for that are currently mainly implemented for C# and .NET, but they are planning to support them in C++, hopefully soon. I mean, they're implemented as native from what I understand, they were implemented as native components, Windows runtime components. So they should be like portable to C# and C++. But you know, we'll see. Whatever. So I guess for now we can just do. I mean, we could still do this. Actually, we could still do an expander. So and just pretend it's a settings card. So what is it? Yeah, I'm just gonna copy this because I'm too lazy. So direction down, vertical alignment top. Yeah, some settings. Oh, content. Now, how do you do content as a button in the content, right? Oh, expander.content. Okay. Oh, you can even do expander header differently. But render.content. So for this, we're gonna have a radio button. Let's call radio button. Yeah, radio buttons, right? Radio buttons. Yeah, I'm fine with whatever. Actually, no, we don't have. Really, they don't automatically format these. Yeah. Let's rebuild that. My button in the settings page doesn't exist anymore. So let's go back. Let's go back to settings page, XAML, get rid of that. Right. Interesting. Yeah, I'm really surprised it got recommended. But anyway, I'm just playing around with some. That is bizarre. Hold on. Oh, because it's a horizontal derp. Hold on. Settings page. Vertical. Whoops. Okay, so the padding. It's a little too close to that. I wonder if you can do like what's it called? I wonder padding. How does padding work? Okay, yeah, so it does work like, so if I do, is it left top? Okay, so like 20, 0, 0. That didn't work the way I thought it would. I don't know, let's just say I do like 30 for the expander. No, that's not working. How do you do separation within a stack panel? Layout stacked panel. Yeah, let's see. Oh, okay, so like 20, does that work? I also don't need to keep rebuilding this. I could just okay. So I should be able to hot reload this padding. Wait. Okay. I'm starting to understand. So okay. guess that really doesn't matter. Hold on. Boop. Okay. Does that remember that it's supposed to be expanded? Okay, yeah, no, it doesn't. Boop, 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 boop is expanded. False. Okay. Let's see, what is this? Interesting. Okay. I'm gonna do this again. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay, so now we got two. It's a good example of theme. I guess I can call it theme. Actually, what did no? Did I close no? App theme. App theme and font. That's the font for Notepad right now. Is that true? Yeah, it is. So, oh yeah, if I wanted to mirror that, I don't think I do though, right? I think I want the to be all the way at the end. So, oh, is there like a I think I just want another stack panel. Can I do that? Does that make sense? No, yeah, you're right. Can't do that. I want something aligned to the bottom, so maybe I can just do another stack panel. Do vertical and then bottom. What am I listening to here? Come on. What is this? No. I want... yeah, let me just do this. Let's try this. It's always useful. Okay. Text block. Text. This is a link theme. Oh crap! It doesn't do that. How do we do alignment to the bottom? Right. Like a footer or something, right? See. Footer. How do you do that? How do you have something at the bottom, right? that's like forced to the bottom. And maybe we don't want to do that actually. Right? Maybe we don't want to do that. So we could do it like that actually. So let's go back here. Do this over here. We don't need that. We need this stack panel. But then we need another stack panel, which is horizontal. Horizontal alignment left, vertical alignment top. Actually, we want this to be right here, and then we want this to be in here. And then we want a stack panel vertical for these. Oh shit. Those stay there. And then this is going to want a oh yeah, stack panel, horizontal alignment, right, vertical alignment, top. That's not what I wanted to do. And this is going to have a text block that says like this is a link employee. Oh, that did not work. Hold on. Horizontal alignment right. Oh, because it's inside of this thing. Oh, wait a second. So, how do you like align something to the far right? Hold on. Does that exist? Flow direction of stack panel. Hold on. UI XAML controls stack panel flow direction. Gives this instruction which text and other elements flow within any parent element. They can be spoken left to right, right to left. That's not what I want. So Well, they were suggesting I set this thing's horizontal alignment to right. Oh, wait a second. Wait a second. Stack panel vertical. Stretch. What does that do? Stretch. This thing is horizontal. Horizontal alignment. Stretch. I'm not sure what that would do actually. You have two of those, right? How do I get this to be all the way over there? Right? So within this stack panel, it's like I need something in between these that stretches. Let's see. Maybe that's true. Maybe I should do a grid. Maybe. Let's try a grid then. So instead of this being a stack panel, it could be a grid. This will be a grid. And then horizontal alignment. Oh, wait, not orientation. No. Actually, yeah, no, hold on. Then this thing needs to be horizontal alignment left. And then this one, horizontal alignment right. Did that work? Not really. Actually, yeah, hold on. Let's see what happens. Alright. Grid. Yeah, I wonder how to use a grid. Let's see. Layout, grid. Oh, wait, hold on. Relative panel? What does that do? Oh, okay. I think that's what I want actually. So then you don't need all these things. You don't need the stack panels then. So basically, you don't need that. And then for red and blue, we can do for this one, we can do with panel dot white dot align bottom with. Oh, you have to name them then though. This is gonna be yeah, theme options. Theme options. Theme options. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. What happened here? Yeah, hold on. Let me just get rid of this for right now. Let me get rid of all this alignment stuff. What the heck happened here? Relative panel. Span direction, header. Relative panel. Maybe it needs to be built because it needs to generate the name. No. What is going on here? Oh. Oh, hold on. Oh, sorry. Needs to be. Oh, did they change this? Oh, below. Derp. There we go. I did it. Sweet. Okay. And then if we do this, we can then do, hold on, we don't need the horizontal alignment there, I don't think. We can just do relative panel align right with panel. So relative panel dot align right with panel true. Panel true. Hold on, what happened there? Right off. And maybe that doesn't work. Weird. panel. Let's see. Are there any other examples of this? Yeah, panels. Grid, canvas. What about relative panels? Panel. Panel. How does this work? Align right. How is this supposed to work? Align right with panel. Align right with panel. Oh, because there's no stretch. Okay, let me see. Does that exist? No, it doesn't. Grid. Margin. Oh. So if I do that, right, then it does that. Okay. Maybe I should do this. So this this is responsive, right? So that means that this, oh yeah, these controls definitely stretch, right? Yeah, so how can I get these to stretch actually? I can still use this relative panel, I suppose. But so, oh, um, oh, I closed my app. Spanu96. Thanks. I mean, I'm just playing around with it. Though I do know that there's not very many people doing, well, first off, using WinUI and C++. So, I mean, good luck actually finding examples of people using it. But, yeah, how can I get this to, so like, so that's responsive, right? I need to look at layouts again, because like, I guess it can be done using a grid, right? Is grid, are grids responsive? Variable size wrapped grid? Hmm. I mean, let's say I switch back to doing to using a grid. What happened there? Whoa. What the heck? That's not what I wanted. Don't want that. Don't want that. I don't want that. Yeah. There we go. That formatted it. Okay. Actually, I might just get rid of these text boxes right now, because I'm more interested in, hold on, getting rid of this relative below nonsense. Oh, what happened? Oh, sorry. Okay, so now they're right on top of each other, which is to be expected. So let me see if I can just get one working to be expanding the grid.column span. Column span? What's that column span? 12.1, does that work? Ah, no. Grid. Let's go to grid. Grid. Grid, column span. Do they have an example? Oh, no, that's what that is. So grid. Yeah, hold on. Let's see, layout properties. So canvas, fluid resizing of child elements for grid. You can use code, visual states, rows. Okay. Okay, so grid. A grid is generally what we want then. So let's look at grid again. Layout, grid, width and height, column definitions. Let's see, grid, column definitions. Set the height of rows and width of columns. You set row height, yeah. Right, but if I want a row definition elements, it's the value of row definition. So one column, then you apply. Okay, so column definition. Uses 3 column definition and 3 row definition to create this 9 cells, such as a worksheet. Each cell has a text block. Actual width, max width. So if you do stretch for the grid, and then column definition. So like, this just seems weird, but whatever. So I'm not sure what will happen here. So you have this in that one column. Let's see the expander. Is it the content? What's the stretch? You stretch this. Because maybe you don't. Let me try with something else. Let me try with like a text box. Maybe it's this element. Just do text box. Right. Okay, so it's certainly not working there. Bro, how do you fill it? How do you fill? How do you fill? How do you fill? Right. Oh, okay. Column span. Oh, okay. Yeah, what happened? Yeah, so if I do like 10. How do you do layout that takes up the full space of the page? Oh, you can do that. Okay, hold on. Cancel. I mean, that to be auto. How do you expand it? It says it's only one row and one column. How do you make that expand to the full thing? Let me just get rid of this then for right now. Oh, whoa. Wait a second. Oh, row definition. What? What? I don't know actually. What that? So it's stretched. It stretched vertically. It just didn't stretch. Okay, so it. I'm gonna force text box to. I mean, that's what I had. That doesn't work, right? Hold on. So if you do a stack panel, you're telling me it'll work. That does work. But is it responsive? See, that does not work now. Unless you also need to do that. Now, see, it doesn't work, right? It's constrained. Weird. And relative panel worked cool. But I don't want to specify width and height. Does this thing still work? XAML Studio. Okay, yeah, no, this doesn't actually. So. Oh, wait, hold on. Okay, I'm getting somewhere at least. Text block. Oh yeah, so. Hello. Okay, so those are on top of each other now. Fuck. Well, yeah, so, but that's not, it's not responsive, right? So like, let's say I don't use a grid. Say I don't use a grid, let's say I use a stack panel. So that still seems to work fine. And then let's say I use another stack panel. Let's say I do a text block, text equals, this is all text, and this orientation equals vertical, orientation equals horizontal. Yeah, see, that's problematic. Oh, hey, text. Oh, horizontal alignment equals right. Huh. Well, so this stack panel, this thing, this text box, yeah, stretch. Yeah, see, that doesn't seem to work right. Does this have a relative panel? It does. So this is the same thing I did down here, right? So hold on, where's my relative panel? Let me just do it with these simple ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Text box. Text block. Yeah, I can't seem to get this to go all the way. Let's go back to the layout. Column 1, sizes to its contents. Oh, stretch values for horizontal alignments as vertical are ignored unless relative panel attached properties from them cause stretching. For example, an element is aligned to both the right and left edges of the panel. If an element's size is not set explicitly and it's not stretch values are respected in the direction opposite the orientation property. If an element's size, okay. If an element's size is not set explicitly, it stretches to fill the available width or height if the order is in the direction specified by orientation property and element sizes to its content. Okay. Oh, adaptive state. Okay. So that's for like changing how the UI looks based on thresholds. Okay. I think I'm just gonna keep it simple then. I'm gonna avoid doing a lot of that nonsense for right now. So I think we will go back to using what do we use originally? We used this, and then all of this other stuff can be deleted down to this, I think. And then hold on. Oh no, not the relative panel. Not the relative panel. Boop. Let's see. Rotation vertical. There we go. Okay. Yeah, we'll just stick with this for now as an example. So it works good enough. Oh, hey streams, thanks. So I honestly have never done any of this WinUI stuff. It's new to me, so I'm just like fumbling around. But yeah, I have used C++ for quite a while, so I am familiar with that side of things. But certainly the XAML and all this UI stuff for Windows, I haven't played around with specifically. I mean, I use Qt mainly in well, for the past like 12 years, I've used Qt, but I wanted to start to look at WinUI just for my own personal stuff. Um, and it seems to be the direction Microsoft is going in terms of native UI for Windows. But we'll see, right? Uh, how well that actually turns out for them. Is add tab button visible? False. Yeah, no, we're not adding new tabs. Wow, that just happens immediately. It's so cool. That's the coolest part, though, is the hot reload. Certainly, if you were to, actually, I should check to see if anyone is even watching right now. I don't even know. I don't have the stream up here. Okay. Certainly, if you really get used to the sort of XAML, being able to hot reload the UI and sort of dynamically see your changes to your UI XAML files update with this hot reload, certainly better than using like Qt's designer for Qt UI files and having to recompile your app to see the changes, right? Yeah, this is different and feels way more agile in that sense. Though I do want to see, so like in here, what would be cool is that each one of these tabs, well, not each tab, but I wonder if we can get like a swap chain panel and do like DirectX things in here. That would be cool. But hold on, did the video end with the music? Looks like it did. Yeah, let's see if I can get a different set of music going. Sure. Let's play some random stuff here. Okay. So, oh yeah, here's an example of using the Visual State Manager stuff. No, we're not doing that right now. What I'd like to see is how to do data binding. That would be like the most important thing, I think. But let's go back to the tab view, because how do you propagate content to a tab view item, right? So like the actual content. What's this? Page 1, page 2. Oh, interesting. Tab view windowing sample page. Is there a sample app? There is. So layout metrics. I don't care about any of that. Tab view API. Let's just look at this. Add tab button clicked. Content of tab view item is often a frame which hosts a page. So well, first we need to actually be able to access our tab view from code. So we're gonna need oh my god. Main view. That works. Oh. Yeah, so Qt does have its place. It's used by quite a few people or companies and for various things. Certainly if you're trying to write cross-platform apps, it's kind of the de facto standard. C#, yes, it can be used cross-platform as well, but generally if you're doing a lot of lower level or you have a lot of lower level interfaces that you're using, it's kind of a chore to expose those to C#. So generally, companies probably want to just stick with something C++ related. So like really in the C++ world, there's two UI frameworks that are used. You either use Qt or you use, well, for many years they used Windows Presentation Forms or WPF, which allowed them to, use XAML, uh, Windows related elements for the front end for the UI, and then all the back end code was generally C++. That's what I understand, at least. Um, yeah, actually, there's many game studios and stuff often had job openings for, and you'd see for tooling at least, you'd either see needs Qt experience or needs WPF experience, Windows Presentation Forms experience, or WinForms in very rare circumstances, but generally WPF. Yeah, I used to do the DX tutorials. I want to eventually go back to that maybe and do like modern, um, DX stuff in the future. But for now, I don't really have time to play around with that. I've also been away from doing many, direct graphics related work for a while. I generally do, well, my day job is writing, what's it called, GPU debugging tools for AMD GPUs. So yeah, so kind of graphics related. It's graphics adjacent. Actually, it's very graphics related. The tools directly capture performance data and various usage data of DirectX 12 and Vulkan on modern AMD hardware. So that's what I generally do. But yeah, that's kind of why I'm looking into this WinUI stuff. I wanted to do DirectX related things with modern Windows application development. So I'm trying to figure out how all this works. But let's see. So homepage should now have access to main tab view. Yeah. So I guess, does it recreate the tabs every time you navigate to the homepage? That's my question. Let's see, tab view item loaded. Tab view item loaded. So like, is that when the tab view item is created? Oh no, that's not true then. That must be just inherited or something. Yeah, I wonder how you deal with tab items. Tab. events. Let's see the events for specifically for tabs, right? Tab close requested, selection changed, tab items changed. Certainly, I'd need to handle all of these, like selection changed, tab. Maybe we will do the tab, adding a new tab. Hold on. Is add tab button visible? We're going to make that default, the default, which is true. And then we also want selection changed. We're going to want, what did they say? It was tab, add tab button click. So add tab button click. Let's just do these for now. So let's handle this one. So what do we want to do here? We want to request user to select file, or it's just like basically just open file, select new 3D model to view. Okay. So we need, I think it's from here, right? Yeah, Windows storage h storage pickers, right? Yeah, pickers. And then, okay, so when they click that, we want, well, first off, this needs to be a, forget. I think, since we're gonna run some asynchronous logic in here. So yeah, exactly. Like I don't have as much time as I'd like to usually do this kind of stuff. I'd like to do it more though, so I'm gonna try and like find more time on weekends and stuff. The other things too is I need to play less video games, I suppose, because you know, if I'm not working or spending time with family, I'm like playing video games. So there's that, right? Pickers. Right, I think that's what I want, and then I want open file open picker. File open picker. Single file async. Oh, actually, we want to create one. Right? File open picker. Picker dot file type filter. Oh no, set file type. Set. Oh wait. Set file type filter. I thought there's a, hold on, let me just go to the API for that. Actually, for this one, I should be able to do the hotkey. Nope, apparently not. Really? Documentation? Really? Hello? Yeah, here we go. Methods. Oh no, properties, settings identifier, file type filter. Oh, yeah, okay. File type filter dot append. I guess I'll just do what dot gltf append. I don't know dot glb. What else? glb, gltf, glb. That's it, I think. And then just pick single file async. Yeah, okay. What happened here? We might want to try catch that, to be honest. Actually, do we? WinRT fire and forget any unhandled exceptions are supposed to be an abort, I think. Let's just ignore it for now. Doesn't deduce references, so yeah, no. Actually, hold on. If this, it has an async operation. If file, can't remember if you can do that or not, but do something with it. Try that out.